Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. So, I have an exciting unboxing for you. We have the highly anticipated Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2. This flagship smartphone is packed with cutting-edge technology, and I can't wait to see what's inside this sleek box. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Wow, just look at that. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 oozes elegance with its sleek black exterior. The box itself is well designed, showcasing the brand's attention to detail. The first thing that catches my eye is the stunning display. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 features an 8.01-inch WQHD Plus flexible AMOLED display with Dolby Vision support. It's incredible how Xiaomi has managed to fold this expansive screen into a compact form factor. The colors are vibrant, and the display is incredibly sharp. Xiaomi has thoughtfully included a charger, USB-C cable, and a set of earphones in the box. It's great to see that they haven't overlooked the essentials. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 boasts a triple camera setup developed in collaboration with Hasselblad. It features a 108-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. This combination allows for incredible versatility and ensures you can capture stunning photos and videos in any situation. In terms of performance, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth gaming experiences. The device also supports 5G capabilities, keeping you connected at lightning-fast speeds. And let's not forget the massive 5020 mAh battery that will easily keep you going throughout the day. Alright, the setup is quick and straightforward, and within minutes, we're greeted by Xiaomi's intuitive Miui interface. The device feels incredibly snappy, and the display is truly a pleasure to interact with. And there you have it, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. This device impresses with its beautiful design, powerful performance, and top-of-the-line camera system. Xiaomi has certainly raised the bar with this foldable smartphone. Stay tuned for in-depth reviews and comparisons on how it performs in real-life situations. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.